Okay, so this is just a follow-up to yesterday's video on this Z Flip 3. I decided that having read a few forums and looking more closely at the screen protector, I thought it was probably a good idea to just try and take it off, despite Samsung's warning not to remove the factory fitted screen protector, you know, like it's something super special and you're going to be ripping the screen off with it. It came off just like a normal screen protector, and it was of course the screen protector that was damaged. The actual screen itself is perfect, so I've got a couple of greasy marks on it, and you can see a line around the edge where the screen protector's been fitted. You might not be able to see it with all these reflections, unfortunately, but I've been onto Amazon and found this one. It's a full screen cover, and I think there were supposed to be 3 of them in there, and there was a video on how to install it, which they make look so easy, but we'll see what we get in the kit. I just didn't fancy my chances sending a complete phone off to a company in Norwich that has got nothing to do with Samsung. It's all to do with O2. It's their repairer. So looks like we've got quite a lot of stuff in here. We've got some foam strips for some reason, no idea. There's sticky tape on the back, so you can obviously stick them onto something. We've got a squeegee with some sort of cloth covering the end, quite a thick card squeegee. We have some instructions, and then we have 1, 2, 3, and these are for Samsung Z Flip 5G, Flip 3 5G. We've got 3 of those. You can see they've got markings, measurements, squares, all sorts on there. We've got tabs 1, 2, 3. I guess that's in order of removing them. And then there's a step 4 remove me tab there. So we've got 3 of those, and then we have 3 more of these. And these, I'm guessing, are front. Actually, I don't know. Maybe it's to do the back as well. Yeah, it looks like there's a cutout in that top one that does the camera screen. I'm probably not going to be able to use that because I don't particularly want to take off this cover that is also glued in place. And then we have guide stickers, dust absorber used to clear dust on the screen, and we've got some alcohol. Well, I say alcohol, it's a screen clean wet cloth and a microfiber cloth, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So God, I don't know what that's for. Do you think that's just to rest the camera on so it doesn't move around very much? I suspect that's exactly what it is. I'd have to glue those down. I think we'll just go with what we've got. I do actually have a bit of a grubby silicone mat here. I wonder if we can make better use of that. If I put the sellotape on it there. It just raises it up a bit. Okay, so side film. So we're only going to be using this for the front. Obviously the guy in the video did it in about 30 seconds. I expect I'll be using 2 of these just to do the front brights. Don't know how we can use these guide stickers. Maybe you just stick them to the screen in a couple of places, and then you can hold the little tab and just position it correctly. Well, let's refer to the instructions, and step 1 is clean the phone screen with the alcohol prep pad. Okay. Well, I don't know what that is, but it looks more like water than alcohol. See what the reflections show now. Got a mark there. Yeah, I think all that will come off with the microfiber cloth in a minute, but that's not too bad. And number 2, dry the phone screen with the cleaning cloth. Okay, let's do that. Both sides look exactly the same. Realised I've got a fan blasting air from outside into the workshop. It probably isn't the best thing to be doing right at this exact moment. Okay, stick the dust with a sticker printed jewel. Right, okay. Well, I can see probably a couple of little bits of dust on there. Check again. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Stick the dust, yeah. Remove the film marked 1. Okay. That's in a bag, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's pull that out. Remove the film marked number 1. Well, that's number 1, and it seems to be coming away that way. It then says place this on the phone. Ooh, bloody hell, this is going to be tough. Place the screen protector on the phone, align the position and squeeze out the big bubbles. Well, it looks pretty reasonable. Apart from the big bubbles. Let's see where that squeegee's gone. There it is. Right. squeeze out the big bubbles. So 7, lift up and peel film 2, then use the squared card to push the rest film 2 out from the dotted line to the top. Jesus. So we've got rid of the big bubbles. So number 2. Oh, I see. Lift up the protector and pull back. 7, 8, so we're doing the other side. So it looks like we've got to pull that up. Jesus. I see, yeah. So that's the other side coming up. They always show these bloody things so easy and it goes perfectly. Trying to pull these bubbles out to the side. And the end. Let me just show you. You can see the level of bubbles we've got left. No, it's not bad, but it's not perfect. So we're going to have to work on that, I assume. I don't see how you can get them out though once that's really stuck on like that. Oops. Now, just can't get those last ones out for whatever reason. So we're going to have to take up that last. Yeah, and the bubbles are definitely on the screen side. So that's what we're left with. A pretty hideous result at the moment. I can see bumps and marks underneath that screen protector, so how the hell has that happened? You might not be able to see it, there's a line just there, but if you catch it just right, there's marks underneath it. So like I said, we're going to have to do this again, but how can it get marked? Unless it's faulty from brand new. So as usual, not impressed. Definitely not impressed with that. You can actually see ridges and lines all over it. Don't know whether it will show up or not. It's not going to focus. Not impressed. Well, that's one down. Let's try another. Really get this lining it up first and then peeling the... I suppose if it's half stuck down, that's better than nothing. Nah, nothing like it. Oh, what are you doing? Is that even the right? Why haven't we got... Let's see. That's pretty well lined up. So let's peel one up. Oh, for God's sake. Problem is I can actually see marks in the screen protector. It's got lines on it, so don't think this is going to be up to the job. God, it's hideous. Just seems virtually impossible to get these bubbles out. Just hideous. There's just bubbles everywhere. Yeah, 20 seconds my backside. Am I peeling up the whole bloody thing here? Yeah, looks like I'm peeling up the whole bloody thing there, for God's sake. And this use of the little tool here is just putting marks all over it. Yeah, it's all marked inside. I think it's probably the glue that moves. It's just dreadful. Fucking dreadful. Yeah, absolutely covered in marks. I don't know whether you can see that. And that's ripples in the plastic. It's shifting of the glue. I mean, it's just utter garbage. Well, that'll be a 0-star feedback. Look at it. Let me see if I can grab the camera and show any of this. Probably won't focus, unfortunately. No, it keeps focusing on the there. So let me see if I need the fixed focus mode really. See all those lines there running up the phone? Let's just focus it here again. Yeah, see all the lines? Oh God. There, I think you can probably see them. And that is all in the film. Absolute garbage. Joke. You have to be kidding. So it looks like I'll be using this without a screen protector then, because I'm not going through that. Well, actually, I suppose I might as well use the last one. See what they're trying to do with this alignment stage. Let's get these gloves off. I'm now dripping sweat out of them, so that's not going to be very helpful. So let's try it without that. Let's just try it with that. So we've got the big bubbles out, so that will hold it in place. So we'll lift up and remove number one, like so. So yes, we've got bubbles everywhere. And we'll pull that half up and let it flop like they show on the film. Let's only go side to side this time. I can see big, it's like a bubble has popped on a glass surface and it's left a smear. So yeah, that is not coming off at all. In fact, I'm very tempted to send that whole bloody lot back, including all the knackered films, and say, sorry, this is not fit for purpose, because it really isn't. I mean, they have to be joking. Yeah, right. Jokers. Right guys, so if you're thinking of spending 15 quid on one of these kits, you may want to think again, because I think that is a complete waste of money. Let's hope pressing on the screen like that has not damaged anything and it all fires up as normal. Yeah, it's all good. Right, okay, well, maybe that'll save somebody 15 quid. Catch you later.